Did I really need another budgeting app? That was the first thing I thought when I started my side hustle. My finances were already split between my day job and this new income stream. It felt chaotic. What I needed wasn't another complicated spreadsheet. I needed a smart assistant. That's why I finally dove into Rocket Money, and honestly, a few features immediately stood out as perfect for the side hustle life. For me, the most crucial feature is the subscription management. As a side hustler, I'm constantly testing new software, design tools, or niche subscriptions. Before Rocket Money, I would inevitably forget about a free trial or a recurring small fee. Now, the app scans all my linked accounts, both my personal and my dedicated side hustle bank accounts, and automatically pulls every single recurring charge. It gives me a clean, centralized list. I've used it to instantly cancel subscriptions I completely forgot about. That's money saved that goes directly back into my business budget. Next up, the custom budgeting and spending insights. This is where I finally separated my life from my hustle. Rocket Money lets you track spending across all accounts in one place, but the real benefit for a side hustler is the ability to create unlimited custom categories in the premium version. I set up categories like client software, advertising spend, and education/courses. This granular view instantly shows me my business's profitability and my true operating expenses, which is essential for tax time and for making smart financial decisions. No more guessing if a payment was for a personal coffee or a business meeting. Finally, the bill negotiation service. This is a set it and forget it feature that's pure passive income. I uploaded a few of my utility and internet bills, and Rocket Money's concierge service stepped in to negotiate a better rate. They take a cut of the savings, which is fair because I didn't lift a finger, but they secured a better rate on my internet, which is a key business expense. It's a literal time saver that directly reduces overhead. In short, Rocket Money streamlined my dual financial life. It cuts the fat from forgotten subscriptions, gives me crystal clear sight of my side hustle spending, and even reduces my fixed costs without me having to spend hours on the phone. It's the financial efficiency I needed to focus on actually doing the hustle, not just tracking it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.